Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight, US markets ended slightly lower after the latest PCE price index showed that inflation remains elevated. The Dow Jones slipped 0.21%, while the Nasdaq fell 0.08%. The S&P 500 was nearly flat, edging down just 0.02%. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei 225 lost 0.6%, while the broader topics rose 0.1%. South Korea's Kospi jumped 0.9%, and the small-cap Kosdaq added 0.2%. Meanwhile, Australia's ASX 200 was trading 0.7% lower in early trading. Nifty closed at 24,208 yesterday, down 127 points. The index formed a bearish candle with an upper shadow, indicating a lack of follow-through after the previous session's strong breakout. The index struggled to sustain above the 20-day SMA at 24,400, capping near-term upside. For the bullish momentum to strengthen, Nifty needs a sustained move above the 20-day SMA to confirm the breakout. For today's session, the 24,400 to 24,500 zone will act as the key resistance area. On the downside, 24,100 and 24,000 will remain the immediate support levels to watch. From a positional perspective, 24,000 remains a crucial support level, and holding above it will be important to maintain the broader market structure. Key equity indices closed with minor losses ahead of US inflation data, despite strength in metals and private banks. FIs bought 503 crores in cash, taking monthly net inflows to 27,931 crores. Nifty futures fell 42.6 points in a short build-up, with open interest rising 4.9% to 154.7 lakh shares, adding 7.2 lakh shares. Premiums widened from 137 to 221 points. Bank Nifty futures decoupled, rising 379 points in a long build-up, with open interest up 1.4% to 21.2 lakh shares, adding 0.29 lakh shares. Premiums widened from 328 to 437 points. In the options market, positioning turned heavily call-skewed with a 3-to-1 bias. Call writing at 24,400 and put hedging at 23,900, along with unwinding at 24,200 on both sides, pulled Nifty's PCR down from 1.17 to 0.91 and Bank Nifty's from 1.18 to 1.16. India's VIX declined 4.6% to 10.56 amid falling crude prices. The FII long-short ratio edged up from 0.11 to 0.12 as net bearish FIs trimmed futures and calls while adding protective puts. Bearish proprietary desks also sold futures, wrote calls, and accumulated puts, leaving extremely bullish clients vulnerable after they added futures and calls while cutting put protection. For today, keep 24,000 as the key support level and 24,400 as the major resistance for Nifty. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.